Dudum, dudum. Yo, what's up, beautiful people? I really missed you guys. Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much again for stopping by to the team brand. If you're new to our channel, do it as we do it. Kindly smash that red subscribe button, like our video. Don't forget to comment down in the comment section, share our video if you can, and I'm really going to appreciate. I'm happy today because it's long since I sat down to do a video, like sitting down and doing a video, guys. It has been a while, yeah, almost 2 weeks, but we have been doing amazing things. We have been doing a lot of vlogs, we've been doing a lot of collabos. I collaborated with We Are Five together with Malik Starling, together with the Rizal Roman. The videos are amazing, guys. Can you go and watch them on my channel? And there's a lot of amazing collabos we are going to do with a lot of amazing people here in Qatar. Kindly stay tuned, and I'm going to bring a lot, guys. I'm going to give you more and more. This time round, had to chase it. Thank you so much. So today we want to do another amazing video according to the title of our video today: 3 things that you must have in hand before approaching that agency or that agent that will facilitate your coming to the Middle East, Qatar and Saudi Arabia, Dubai. These countries, they have almost the same process. So there's a lot of people have been asking me in my inbox, like somebody inboxing you, like, I need a job, can you connect with my agent? But a disclaimer, guys, I'm just a content creator. I don't offer jobs. I'm not an agent. I don't offer jobs. I don't have jobs, those things. I'm just a content creator. What I do advise you, how to go about these things, yeah, how to do this, how to do that. So a lot of people have been texting me like, bro, we need to do that. I need this agent. I'm interested to come and work in Qatar. I'm interested to come and do this and that. And I sympathize with most of them because some of them are really serious, on coming or flying to Middle East. So the first question I ask you, like, do you have a passport? Somebody tells you, no, I don't have a passport. So why are you asking me this? The first thing that you should have before thinking of traveling out of Kenya or out of your country that you are is your passport, the international passport. A passport is that booklet, looks like that, you see? Different countries have different types of passports. So you have to have that booklet that they call passport before even thinking of looking for an agency to travel out of your country. Number one thing that you should have. Number two, very important. Let me first tackle this, the first one. Like, somebody texting me that anataka agent and a passport. Like, you're not going to use your ID to travel out of your country. You need that passport. And for Kenya, it's not expensive to get a passport. It's not very expensive. It's not even expensive. It's very cheap. People don't have this information. By 2018, it was 4,550, and I believe it has not changed. Only 4,550, and it's paid online. What you have to do, walk to that embassy, walk to that it's called what? Cyber. I'm going to do, I think, a full-length video about this. Walk to that cyber, create an e-citizen account. You can do it by yourself. I did by myself. Nobody helped me to do this. You go to that cyber, create something we call an e-citizen account, open that website, go into the immigration portal, look at where to apply the passport, fill in those forms. What you need is your parents' IDs, your good certificate of birth, and all those things, all the information that you will need. And you need an original birth certificate. That is one thing that you should not forget. Then fill in those things that they're going to ask you, those questionnaires, or those documents or details that you need to fill in. Then there is a place that you will pay 4,550 through M-Pesa. Very simple. Then after paying that, they're going to print an invoice. They're going, I think, to schedule your appointment. Then you will take it to Huduma Center or Nyayo House. For Kenya, we take it in Nyayo House. For other countries, I don't really know, because I know we are being watched by everybody around the globe. So for other countries, I don't know how you do it. That's how we do it in Kenya. So after getting that invoice, take it to the Nyayo House or Huduma Center. That is how we do it in Kenya. Then they're going to take your passport picture. Then they're going to take your fingerprints. Then within a month or two, you're ready to have all these things. You see, it's not really hard process. So first thing, have that passport. Depending where you are, have that passport. The second thing that you have to have, from Kenya to Qatar, you need something we call a good conduct, certificate of a good conduct. And nowadays, it is being attested at the Qatar embassy, in Kenya. So first thing, take your good conduct, take it to Huduma Center. Then after taking to Huduma Center, there is a place, a desk for it's called what? Who am I forgetting this name? Ministry of Foreign Affairs. There is a desk for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. You are going to pay 200 Kenya shillings there. After paying that money, they're going to give you like a day or two. Kujia, maybe if it's Wednesday, they're going to tell you Kujia Friday, or if it's Monday, they're going to tell you Kujia Wednesday. Okay, Kujia, your good conduct now, you will take it to the embassy of Qatar. That is it. It's in Kwanga wapi. I think somewhere like Runda. Yeah, the embassy of Qatar is in Runda. Ukichukua hapo, they're going to take you through a short process. You're going to pay $27. That is almost 3,000 Kenya shillings. Then they're going to stamp your good conduct. Then well and good. Now your good conduct is being attested. That is what we call attestation of the good conduct. So you need those two things: your passport and your good conduct. Very simple. Then now approach the agency. That is the next step. Without these two things, why should you look for even that agent? It's going to be very expensive for you. Agent anaanza kuomba hata 7,000, 10,000 to do all those things, when you can do by yourself very cheaply, very affordable. So take time, have those two documents, and they're going to be very important for you. Another thing that you should have, guys, is be ready for the money. It's never going to be free. And a lot of people surprise me. I know I fully understand you guys. I know the situation back in our country is not that easy, but you cannot travel out of your country Evo to Bure. You need some money. Agents normally ask 70,000 to 130,000 Kenyan shillings. That is the range. 70 to 130. I don't know from your countries where you watch me from how much they ask, but if you're in Kenya, that is the amount that you should expect. 70 to 130 Kenyan shillings. 130,000 Kenyan shillings. That is what the agent is going to ask you. You get me? Then another thing that I find it also strange is for people to ask me like, should I pay direct the agents, or like this question, like, should I pay this money before visa or after visa? That fully depends on your agreement with the agent. Some agents work differently. That is purely an agreement between you and that agency. Yeah, I cannot have a say on that. I don't know how to advise you. I might advise you wrongly on that. So it's purely your agreement between you and that agent. So guys, I believe these are some of the important things that I was supposed to tell you today. Hope it's going to help you in one way or the other. Thank you so much again for stopping by to the Team Brian. If you're new to our channel, kindly do it. Click that red subscribe button. Join our community, the Team Brian, and I'm really going to appreciate. See you guys in my next video.